stop building from scratch. Today, we are building this entire production-ready Airbnb clone in minutes. We are using Lovable to achieve this, and we worked with React, Tailwind, TypeScript, and even Supabase. This built in a real user authentication flow. Right now, we are already signed in. We can decide to book this apartment here. We can also decide to host our own Airbnb home. So we click here, click on this, and we put in the details of what we want. I'm going to show you exactly how I built this using AI, and even show you how we debug the error we got. This used to take full dev team 3 months. It took us just 10 minutes. Let's build it. All right, so let's post our prompt now. So this is the prompt. Remember, we're posting this in the description below. You can just copy it to follow along. Build a comprehensive production-ready Airbnb clone using React, TypeScript, and Tailwind CSS and Supabase. Use generic placeholder for images because we'll be using domain data now from Splash when necessary. So this is the design logic we are following. These are design here. Then these are core architecture, database schema that we are building. Then this is our key component, which is the nav bar, the listing card, the heart icons, things like that. Then we also define our page routing here. Then along with our interactivity. So let's just send this to Lovable now to build that first prototype. Our first prototype is ready, and you can see these very lines. So this is what it has built so far. The home, the auth, listing details, host, strips, and the mobile first view. So this is what we have. Let's just click on cabins here. You see we have different cabins, trending. These are trending places. We have this penthouse with rooftop pool. We have the studio apartment, city, mountains, camping, castles. Is there any for that? Okay, it's not this lakefront, beach. So this is very, very beautiful, and this is where we've gotten so far. Let's try the sign up functionality. Put my name here. This is my email, then password. Sign up. Check your mail. So let's check our mail for that confirmation mail. So I just click on verify mail here. It's supposed to take me to the preview page. I'm signed in here. I can Airbnb my own, but we've not created that functionality for now. We can also click on show map. It's supposed to show the map of our different listings, but we've not done that either. So let's move on to host booking an apartment and then hosting an apartment. Because if I click on this, now this is $350 per night. If I say 18th to 19th, or let's say 21. So you see, then guess this. If I click on reserve, see it's still showing me this is because we've not worked on our booking functionalities. So let's head back to Lovable now and then give it to those prompts. So this is my prompt. I need to activate the data layer. Please implement the following. We are connect and seed. We create the listings and the bookings table if they don't exist. This is the booking logic, and this is the host mode, which we're about to create. So let's send that to Lovable. Now this has been created, the bookings and the logic, the bookings logic in the host mode. Let's try app again. Let's try to book and let's try to host and see how that will go. Click on this. So let's say we want to become a host. We need to log in first. Let's check on this beachfront paradise in Bali. So it is hosted by Superhost, 2 guests, 1 bedroom, 1 bath. Try to book. Let's say we're staying from 16th to 18th. Then, okay, we've not logged in. So let me log in again. Let's try again. (16th to 18th). It has been reserved. So let me try to Airbnb my own home. And title, we can use this cozy beachfront. A cozy building close to the beach. Just saying. Next. Location, we can just say California. Country, United States of America. So here we can put the category. We'll just leave that for now. Click on next. The price per night, you can set the price here, let's say $150. Then the image, we add image of our building. I'll just head over to Unsplash and get an image. I'll copy the image address, then paste it here. So this is the image here, publish listing. So that has been published. These are apartments hosted by me, 2 guests, 1 bedroom, 1 bedroom, but so you can see how this works. This is very, very, very beautiful. Let's head back to Lovable and then finish up with our prompting. So now we'll be integrating the map. We'll also be integrating our search feature. So this is the prompt we'll be using for that. Map integration, we're using React Leaflet. Then these are search filter, make the category bar functional, click beach. Clicking beach should filter the Supabase query to show only beach listing. We're also making it very polished, the mobile version. So we send that to Lovable. Our map feature and search filters, they've all been integrated into the app. Let's do a refresh. We'll come to show map here. We're supposed to get a marker of all these bookings in our map. So just click on show map. So I think something is broken. We'll just head over to Lovable and then tell it to fix that error. The map feature seems not to be working. Let's just give it Lovable, maybe like a minute or two to resolve that. This seems to be a version mismatch. The map uses React 18, but I think the present React Lovable is using is React version 19. So Lovable is trying to downgrade it. Okay, this has been fixed. Once in a while, you'll get to encounter errors like this. Even with AI, you still have these errors, but it's just easier to debug. Now this is it. Our map is working very well now. What I would like to do now, there seems not to be a close. Okay, it's here, show listings. So that's this button toggles between showing map and show listing. All our functionalities have been implemented. We can now book, we can sign up, we can sign out, we can even host our own Airbnb apartments. And we did all this without writing a single line of code. This is the place we booked. We can also see our trip. So this is very, very, very beautiful. This is what will take us months of writing code just some few years back. But now with AI, we can do this within 15, 20, 30 minutes. And we have this very beautiful. So thank you for watching. Bye bye for now.